payout?
Well, I don't know if Nina and Ron's got anything, but I live from hand to mouth most of the time. Not hand to mouth, but like sort of compared to other people.
It's just that expression Dad said once in an argument. We're living from household to breakfast time. And then I sniggered, and his mum was about to shout at him back, and she looked at me
and laughed.
Yeah, and she went into one of her hysterics.
Oh, one of those. Oh, you're making me upset.
And we was just punching the floor with laughter.
Oh, I know Mum did have hysterics sometimes, like she used to say I did.
I liked her when she was like that. She used to say, "Let your belly rattle, you miserable moo."
Yeah, but she frightened me a lot. She frightened me. So when you've got fear in you
Oh, why is that still boobing? I turned it off.
Because it's belligerent.
Yeah, it stopped. I'm going to have to turn that off, whatever that is.
Why didn't you just save that, then turn it off? Save.
Video saved.
And then turn it off.
It's not as easy as that. Alright, it is. Just pull the plug. It gives you 1.5 minutes to change your mind.
Oh, look at that blueness of the light. Purple up there, Phil.
Yeah.
On the hotel, it's all purple.
See that down there, where them cars are parked. That's where I was parked when I had my window put through.
Whoa.
I grabbed the sat nav, which was right up here behind the mirror. Oh. You couldn't see it. They would have had to have gone
they're
right
searching
down,
for stuff.
Yeah.
There's thieves everywhere.
It was a police job. I had to report it because you had to have a crime number to get it replaced from the insurance company.
Do you know, I think Sister Charika knew that the bag wasn't going to be there, probably because they told her that it was only an envelope. She said to us, "Don't worry about the black bags."
Yeah, I was going to say, it must be a big envelope.
Yeah.
I nearly said that.
To put in the black bag. Oh, to put the black bag in there, yeah. I might have wanted that bag. I need a new bag.
Well, there's another one alongside Mum's bed, a cream one.
I don't like cream, I like black. I'm going to complain about that. That's my inheritance.